I'm going to show you how to enter purchases on the IdealPOS server back office. So first of all, you open the team viewer because you will be accessing that remotely. You will be accessing the server from another computer. Once the team viewer opens, you double click on server, double click, click. When you double click, the server will be connected. It's connecting. You see here, it's connecting, authenticating, and then connecting to the server. Once server has been connected, right, you on your computer you open your Google Chrome. In Google Chrome you go to your drive, Google Drive, right. Once you are in Google Drive, you open the expense file. For example, for wine shop, you will be opening for this current month, July 2014 wine shop. You click on that file. Once you've clicked, you'll see the various files like float, stock, cash movement, but you go to expense file because the expense you'll be entering. For 1st of July, Legends invoice, Legend supplier was Legend, invoice number, the items which were bought from Legends, the quantity should be here. There's two quantities here. Okay. Right now. This should be the price. Right. And your quantity, price, and whether it has been already entered on the server or not. So this invoice has already been entered on the server. 1727, all these invoices have been entered. For 9th of July, this invoice has been entered. So 10th invoice, 10th July invoice. The supplier is Motibai. So what you do, you can smaller the screen size for this Chrome, right? You go to the server and then click on transactions, stock control, stock purchases. You can click on that. But I have also, it's a close one, but there is also a shortcut here, stock purchases. Stock purchases shortcut. You can click on that stock purchases, the same window pops up. So how can you add this particular purchase from Motibai into purchases on the server? You click on add, right, purchase type, stock received, supplier, you click on this arrow, click on the arrow for the supplier, Motibai, you type M-O-T-I, Motibai comes up here. You don't have to type whole name of the company. As soon as you start typing, it starts narrowing the search and it comes to Motibai. You can click on that and click OK. Once the supplier has been selected, supplier code is 11, the name is appearing there, the date of the purchase is 10/7. So you enter the date here, 10, date of invoice is 10, and date process date is 10/7. You change the date, invoice number, you go to your Excel, you can right click, copy the invoice number and then paste it here, right click, paste. The location which is purchased to, it is the wine shop. Okay, the invoice is tax inclusive. Then you choose the item which is being purchased. For example, for this particular date, this invoice, you can increase the size of the, okay, so sprint 1 liter was bought, sprint 1 liter, so you click on this arrow, stock code, you start typing SPRINT, sprint 1 liter is there, you click on the double click, quantity, how many sprint was bought, 132, quantity is 132, you click on there, 132, right, shop, and amount stock received. What is the price? 215.75. 215.75 amount. Right, automatically the text is copied. The total invoice total is 215.75, and then you click save. So one page is already entered. You don't have to process it. Okay. I will go and check the invoice. I will double check whether you have entered the invoice correctly. Okay, and then I will process it myself. Okay, so you don't have to process. Okay, adding another invoice. So once this invoice has been entered, you click yes. That entry on save has been done. The next one is legends. Supplier is legends. Supply is legends. 10.7. Add. Click on add. Supplier is legends L. As soon as I type L, the supplier name comes up. You can double click on that supplier name. Okay, the date it was invoice date was 10th. Okay, 10th, process date, invoice number. Right click, copy, paste, so that you don't have to type again the whole thing, and the location where it is purchased to, where it will be sold from, wine shop. Okay, and what was purchased? Voda Ipe should be Voda Ipe, and quantity is 200. Right, so go to the item Voda Ipe. There are other Voda products, so Voda Ipe, because we are selling only Voda Ipe at the moment. Okay, and what quantity was purchased? 200 quantity. Okay, automatically it comes total to 188. 188 is already there. Right, 188. You click on the next line, it will automatically update here. You see? Right, and then hit save. You check again, the date is okay, the supplier is okay, wine shop location, everything okay. Then you hit, you click on the button, save. It has been saved there. Now add another. So once this has been entered, you can enter your server as right 147. Yes. The next invoice is on 12. Now again 10. This shouldn't be there. On 12 they paid for this. Okay. 10,700 legal fees. No juice. Coca-Cola. This was just in payment. This shouldn't be entered here. This should be entered in cash movement file. Okay. And next invoice is for Coca-Cola. 11.7. Add. Supplier is, click on that arrow. Coca-Cola. Double click. Selected. Date 11. Invoice number. Right click, copy, paste. Location it is purchased to, wine shop, tax inclusive. Now the items which was bought, mother, click on arrow, stock code, then type mother, automatically comes up, double click. Next item which was bought, can Coke. So Coke, type Coke, click on the arrow, Coke 330 ml. Right, next item. In the item description they should have written Coke 330 ml. They should have written Coke 600 ml like this one. So next item is Coke 600. Coke 600. Select that, double click. The other items on the same invoice is Fanta orange. Fanta, just type Fanta because on the system we just have Fanta. We haven't entered it by flavor name. Fanta 600. All Fanta flavors will come under it. Then again Fanta. This is pineapple flavor. You can just type the code here 225 because you know it will come up here, right? You know the code. Fanta pineapple, then Coke 1.25 liter. Click on this arrow. Click on the arrow. Coke 1.25. Right there. Next one is Fanta pineapple 1.25. Fanta pineapple. Oh no. Click on this arrow. Fanta 1.25. Again, it's all generalized, not by flavor. Next one, enter the Sprite 1.5. Sprite 1.25. The next item which is purchased is Coke 2 liter. Click on the arrow. Coke 2 liter. Right. Next item. Let's look at the expenses file. Sprite 2 liter. Fanta and water. Sprite. Coke has been entered. Sprite, Fanta, water. Sprite 2 liter. Sprite 2 liter, Fanta 2 liter, then Fiji water. Oh, it's water there. In the system, it's water 1.5. Right now, you enter the quantities purchased. How many Mada was purchased on this particular day? Mada is 30. So you enter 30. Click on the next row. Next product item, Coke, can Coke 48. So you start typing 48 and then press. Click on the next quantity space Coke 648. Type 48. Next one, Fanta 600. Fanta 600. 24, 48, 24, 48. 24, 48. 1.25 Coke. 24, 24, 24, 24. 24, 12 Sprite. Then next one, 24, 24, 88, 12. 24, 24, 88, 12. 24, 24, 8, 8. Okay. Something is missing. 24, 24, 8, 8. Peach water 12. Sprite 2 liter, Coke 2 liter. Fanta 1.25. Something is wrong. Sprite, oh no, Fanta pineapple. After Coke 1.25 is Fanta pineapple, right? And then Sprite, then Fanta again. Fanta is Fanta is not entered. Fanta 1.25. Fanta, yeah. Penta 125. Quantity was 24 2 liter. Then 8. Is right, and this one is 24. We did, and then 12 kg water. So now when you go to, when you click on the last row, the total comes to 68950. 68950, the total is different here. So you go back, you can check, you can compare 6480. 6170. The mother price is changed. 7630, next one 3815, 7630, 6750. All the other prices are same. Only the mother price is supposed to be 6480. Before the cost of the mother was $2. Now let's see how much it comes. 6480. It comes to $2.16 now. Total 6948. When something is wrong. 64. I have to check other prices. 67, 50, 35, 50, 24, 95. Pidgeotto. Something is wrong. Let's check again. 6480, another 6170, 7630, 3815, 7630, 6750, 6750, 3275, 6750 has moved down 0, and 2250. Side 2 liter, it's 2250. Okay, 2250. No, it comes to 25. Total is 2095. Okay, then we click save. Okay, similarly you can enter the rest of the for example bleeds. Same date 11/7, and this time the supplier is Goodman Fielder. Goodman Fielder, double click on that. Date was 11, process date 11, invoice number, copy, paste, and then click on wine shop, text invoice. The item which was bought is bleeps, should be 30 in one carton, 16. So bleeps, click on this item code, go to bleeps, okay, and then choose 60. So 49.26, 49.27. Okay, and then click, or you can do the 49.27. 49.27. Oh no. Delete. You can go to 49.27. Okay, the cost is 80 cents. Okay, and then click on the next row and then click save. And then when I'll be checking each individual invoices, I'll double click, I'll check, and then when I'm satisfied with the cost and the pricing, and then I can process it. Okay, you don't have to process it yourself. Okay, and then you mark this one. reset the table saver, mark it as S. The next item is growth. Okay, you try and print growth. Where is market? Thank you.